Okay, we're going to do a room tour, Icon of the Seas, Oceanview Panoramic Suite. 16006. So this should be the Sky Class, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, this is in their Sky Class. And look at this nice indirect lighting on this bathroom. Very, very nice. A single sink here. You got your tub. And here you already have a small closet. Off to the side here, you have your vanity and some more storage. And you have indirect lighting from your bathroom there. Storage of closet and shelvings, drawers, your refrigerator, a nice little living area. But instead of a balcony, you have the area to sit and the large window. So if you want a suite but you don't need a balcony and have a sitting area here, this is the Oceanview Panoramic Suite, and you do get the Sky Class benefits here. So there you go, Icon of the Seas, 160. What is this? 16006. 16006. Panoramic Oceanview Suite.